Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera crashing in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and click on camera. After clicking on camera, then here you can force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then click on storage usage. And then here you can clear your cache memory. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. After clicking on reset phone, then here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.